Asset management is a huge part of a general mobile support strategy, and I'd say let's start with the facts. Mobile device environments are becoming more and more complex every day. Mobility is expanding, so that means that there's more mobile devices in the workplace. And the different applications and device types are also expanding. There's different iOS types or OS types, and there's a bunch of different ruggedized devices or consumer type devices that can be used. So as those device environments get increasingly more complex, it's even more and more important to have a robust visibility and asset management strategy. You have to know where your assets are at any given point in time, who's using them, what locations they're in, what level and stage of repair they may be in. Devices will always break, and there's always going to be issues. And as that environment becomes increasingly more complex, you really need a real-time level of visibility into all those assets to have a truly successful strategy around how you're going to manage it all. With as many devices that are out in the field and the complexity of those devices and the number of locations a business has, knowing where those devices are at any given point in time and how they're being used is a really important level of support that any business needs, and there's cost implications there as well. If you have devices that are out in the field and they're we have workers coming in and out, you may need to really have a better handle on how those devices are being used and making sure that devices are actually getting used and you don't have a surplus of those devices that are out in the field.